Yeah. Good old Southern Red Oak by Maxwell. Yeah. 3 1/4 wide. And that's 3 5/16. Yeah, it's just random like that. Terrible. I hate installing Maxwell's 3 1/4 wide. You know, it's just like, I don't know why the milling's so crappy. So, shame on you, Tommy. Shame on you. Blowing the stuff out of the mill. Blowing it out. So, we're going to have to install one board at a time with this stuff. One board at a time. Check the width and everything. Terrible. It's been sitting here on site for about 2 weeks. So, don't want it to take on too much moisture, because it'll cause us problems. I like to let it sit and acclimate that way. But, so I don't spread the bundles out too much. Yeah, it just can be really hard to install. It's hard to install anyways, so. But on existing Maxwell, Monticello. Do you know what that means? Yeah. Anyways, it'll take us a day and a half to do 300 square feet. Day and a half. 2 guys. So, anyways, the stuff just isn't. Alright, so now that we got those through the saw, do we have any longer ones? Okay, I'm going to rip some longer ones. So those are all ripped. Okay, so those are ripped. I'm going to rip a couple longer ones here. So there we go. We'll cut the bottom off. We're going to run our wood through here against that. Run them all. That way they'll all be the same width. Just taking a little bit off, not enough to have to re-groove them, but the wood varies too much. I mean, we've got some that varies from 3/4 and 3/16 all the way up to 3 5/16 heavy. So, anyways, we got to figure out something here. We're going to have a screwed up installation. So, I'm going to show you right here. Go ahead, just drop those. I'm going to run one through here. You want to hold that? All right, here we go. It's okay. Keep going. It's got a bow in it.